Thoughts are wandering away with me today, fading into grey. Say that it's okay, painting pictures of this silhouette in vain. Just here to speculate, no fear I test my fate, no. Thoughts are wandering away with me today, fading into grey. Say that it's okay, painting pictures of this silhouette in vain. Just here to speculate, no fear I test my fate, no.
The Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT, the most aggressive and fastest petrol SUV in the Porsche lineup. And this one is the new facelifted edition. Now this is a family SUV in absolute beast mode, and what a beast this is. This spec also speaks for itself. I love the black paint, and then just a pop of color with this yellow calipers, and then you've got a ton of carbon fiber on the exterior of this car and luxury materials on the interior like Alcantara, leather and more carbon fiber. I am obsessed. So as you guys saw, we already did the decontamination on this car, so let's jump straight into the paint enhancements. After that, we'll also be applying PPF paint protection film for full all-round protection, and on top of that our Dion PPF ceramic coating. Next up, we'll also be applying a windscreen protection film as well as our Dion rim and caliper ceramic coating. Then moving on to the interior of this car, we'll also be doing a proper interior detail as well as apply our Dion leather shield ceramic coating throughout, as well as the interior PPF gloss throughout except for matte PPF on the center console and the screen, so that you don't get those nasty fingerprints or reflections. And guys, let's get cracking on this beauty.
This is 2J's.
This car was built to perform, and now it is built to last. Literally every single panel on this car is fully protected, whether it's with paint protection film or our Dion ceramic coatings. The interior to the exterior is shielded against external elements, swirl marks, scratches and stone chips. And this Cayenne Turbo GT is ready to hit the road once again. As always, thank you guys so much for watching our videos, and if you liked this video and car as much as I did, head on to our Instagram page for more content and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Have a good day and we'll see you in the next video.